Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to view the blocked accounts on TikTok. So here I've already on the TikTok app, and if you want to see the accounts that you've already blocked on your TikTok account, you can just go to your profile, then click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the setting and privacy. And in here, click on the privacy options and scroll down to the bottom until you find block accounts. So click on that, and if you have accounts that you block on TikTok, it will show in here, but since I don't have one, it says no block account. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.